Orange Sky Audio presents The Parrot's Perch by Keilt, narrated for you by Teri Linden. Whenever I tell someone I live in Carefree, they usually laugh and tell me how lucky I am to live in a town with such a whimsical name. I agree. Not only is the name whimsical, the town is beautiful, a quaint desert oasis, close to major city centers, restaurants, and every amenity one can imagine, yet still remote and serene enough to offer huge open spaces, dark starlit night skies, and wild creatures big and small. But getting here wasn't an easy journey, not by a long shot. The streets of Carefree, Arizona have names like Easy Street, Shooting Star Way, and Serene Street. But my life's path more aptly resembles one of the town's more harrowingly named throughways, Bloody Basin Road. I was born and raised in teeming, vibrant São Paulo, Brazil. Famous for its five-star restaurants and shopping, samba, and dance-the-night-away nightlife, São Paulo is often referred to as the South American Los Angeles. I lived a fairy tale life there in my early years. My family had maids, cooks, nannies, chauffeurs, vacation homes, and memberships at exclusive clubs. By age 5, I had more international travel stamps on my passport than many people get in a lifetime. But I soon learned that while things looked perfect on the outside, we all carried wounds and scars carefully hidden away. On November 14, 2013, I got an email that sent a foreboding shiver down my spine and made the hairs on my arms stand up, and which would change everything I knew about what had happened. I wondered what the Brazilian government could possibly want from me after so many years. I moved away from the computer without opening the email. It had taken me a long time and several undesirable detours to get to Carefree. I wasn't sure I had the strength and courage to go down the road of my dark past again. Part 1. Golden Days. Chapter 1. The email was from Ms. Glenda Mezaroba, a political scientist and investigator of the Brazilian National Truth Commission. The government had formed the commission to investigate crimes against human rights that had been perpetrated for decades by its savage police force and military dictatorship.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?